original problem. So again, the fraction itself, you can cancel out common factor of 6. And then the y's, these two y's cancel with 2 of these 5, leaving the 3. So with your simplified form, you get 3 over 10y cubed. Okay, probably the question is not with this, it's with how do you identify the domain restrictions. Well, when you look at this, the only factors that got canceled from our denominator, the numerical factor, which doesn't matter, okay, that's not going to restrict any values. And then we have this factor of y got canceled 2 different times, right, y and y. So we know that y can't be 0. Okay, so for a lot of you, you maybe typed in y not equal to 0. Okay. Is that restriction apparent in the simplified form? Can you do you know that y can't be 0 when you just look at this expression? Yeah. Since this factor didn't get completely removed from the denominator, there's no additional restrictions. If that's the case, on your quizzes or anything that you enter online, you're just going to type the word none. Okay. On the quizzes, I give you that as a specific direction, I believe. I think I say if there's no additional domain restrictions, write the word none. Okay. And so again, it's confusing in the way that it's asked to be entered. Okay, now, is it true that there are domain restrictions in this problem? Yeah, there is actually a domain restriction. The domain is y, all real numbers except y cannot be 0. But since that's apparent in the simplified form, you don't need to identify it separately.